So, brethren, you people know why we are here.
Yes.
We are here for
the monthly account.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
I decided to be putting the money in Brother Man's account for transparency. So, Brother Man, please, where's the money?
Pastor, the issue there now is that the money, I use it for something.
There are times you play, but no.
I'm telling you.
This is 10 million naira we are talking about.
It's a serious issue.
No. See, we are being serious here.
Pastor, I'm serious.
Brother Man, you can't tell me that, sir.
Pastor.
We are talking about 10 million naira here.
I know, Pastor.
No. You are mad. You are very stupid. What kind of rubbish is that?
Pastor.
See, I go just you still speak English for me. 10 million naira. See here. Jesus! I find that money and this thing, I'm a genius. I will break your head here now.
Wait,
what kind of nonsense is this?
I was just joking.
How you going to prank me with 10 million?
Serious.
I was not serious, so I was not being serious. This day, I was just, sometimes holy anger, Please, let's just sit down and continue the meeting. Grandma, please, the 10 million naira.